Good evening. Thank you for joining Redwood Credit Union's annual membership meeting. My name is Jim Olmsted, and I'm chair of your board of directors. RCU now serves nearly 500,000 members, and this meeting lets us share important information and updates with members living across all 8 of the counties we serve and beyond. I'd like to start by introducing RCU's volunteer officials and leadership team, beginning with the other members of the board. Board Vice Chair Lisa Whitkey-Schaffner, Board Secretary Deborah Watts, Board Treasurer Dave Gwine, and board members Christina Rivera, Jerry Hansen, Rod Dole, Judy Herreras James, Robert Eiler, Associate Board Member Gerardo Martin, Associate Board Member Stephanie Plant, and our board members emeritus Greg McGurk and Dave Imoto. On RCU's Audit and Enterprise Risk Committee, we have Committee Chair Lisa Whitkey-Schaffner, Committee Secretary Deborah Watts, and committee members Christina Rivera, Gerardo Martin, and Stephanie Plant. I'd also like to acknowledge the board members of RCU's Services Group, pictured here. RCU Services Group is our wholly owned subsidiary, which includes our auto dealership and in-house insurance agency, making it convenient for you to take care of all your auto and insurance needs in one trusted place. Finally, I'd like to introduce RCU's President and CEO, Brett Martinez, along with your credit union's senior leadership team, who are committed to our mission of passionately serving your best interests, building a strong and sustainable organization, and ensuring you always receive exceptional service from us. Redwood Credit Union's bylaws require at least 25 RCU members be present to have a quorum for the meeting. I see we have more than 25 members signed on tonight, which meets our quorum, so I will call the meeting to order. As chair of your volunteer board of directors, I'm excited to share that this year is Redwood Credit Union's 75th anniversary. For the past 75 years, we've been guided by our long-term vision of being a pillar of support for our members and communities. We've been honored to be your trusted partners through good times and bad, and will continue to passionately serve you and your families, friends, and neighbors for decades to come. Every year, we work to build financial well-being and strength in our communities while ensuring RCU is strong, safe, and secure. For the second year in a row, RCU has been included in Newsweek magazine's list of America's top credit unions based on financial health, operational performance, and member evaluations. Commitment to our community is a key part of our mission, and your support allows us to continue to enhance and expand the resources we provide to help our communities. In 2024, we provided more than $4.9 million in community support to more than 200 local nonprofit and community organizations through sponsorships, grants, and matching campaigns, employee giving, and volunteer hours. As a result, we were honored to receive the Heart of Sonoma County Corporate Community Service Award from the Center for Volunteer and Nonprofit Leadership for our continued community support and involvement. We're also proud to be named California Credit Union Advocate of the Year by the California and Nevada Credit Union Leagues. This award acknowledges organizations that step up to help their fellow credit unions in California and advocate to lawmakers for the best interests of credit union members. We're humbled to have been recognized with many awards in 2024, including being voted Best Credit Union in many local publications' readers' polls, such as the Press Democrat, Napa Valley Register, and Marin Independent Journal. These awards are truly meaningful to us because they reflect the satisfaction of the people we serve every day. We're truly honored to serve you, and we are grateful for your trust and loyalty. Our goal is to help our members succeed and achieve financial wellness, and you can count on us to be there for you, whatever tomorrow may bring. Thank you, and now I'll turn it over to Brett Martinez for the President's Report.
Thank you, Jim. Good evening, and thank you for joining us tonight. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. As Jim shared, 2025 marks our 75th anniversary. RCU started with 7 County of Sonoma employees in 1950, and I'm proud to say that today we've grown to serve nearly 500,000 members throughout the North Bay and San Francisco. Thanks to the loyalty and participation of members like you, we continue to have a profound impact on our communities and deepen our reputation as an organization that you can trust. Our priority has always been to keep your money safe, provide exceptional service to our members, and help you improve your financial well-being through good times and bad. Tonight, we have the opportunity to show you how your continued membership and support helps to serve your fellow members and your community. First, let me share our 2024 results with you. Assets grew 7%, which equates to nearly $600 million for a total of $9.1 billion. Total assets under management, which includes all member savings, investments, and loans with RCU, both on and off of our balance sheet, increased 6.3%, which equates to $667 million for a total of $11.2 billion. Deposits increased 14.6%, the equivalent of $1 billion, for a total of $7.9 billion. Member investment accounts increased 8%, which equates to $100 million, for a total of $1.35 billion. These member investments are off of our balance sheet and they're managed by our licensed wealth management advisors. Portfolio loans grew 8.7%, the equivalent of $552 million, for a total of $6.9 billion. Delinquent loans increased to 0.73% of total loans, and net charge-offs increased to 0.49% of loans. I want to point out that while these percentages are increasing, they are still relatively low numbers. In fact, year-to-date 2025, we're seeing those numbers trend downward. Equity increased 11.5%, which equates to $115 million, for a total of $1.1 billion. And we welcomed over 30,000 new members in 2024, resulting in membership growth of 6.6%. We now serve over 489,000 members in the North Bay and San Francisco. We also continue to serve thousands of members who are relocated across the United States and worldwide. Thanks to our robust online and mobile banking systems, they enjoy convenient access and are keeping Redwood Credit Union as their primary financial institution. All of this information, including RCU's financial statements, are in our annual report, which is now available at the web address you see on the screen. I'm proud to share that as we grow, Redwood Credit Union continues to be financially safe, secure, and stable. As a credit union, RCU is structured differently than a bank, so we're not subject to pressures from investors or stockholders. Your deposits at RCU are federally insured to a minimum of $250,000 by the National Credit Union Administration, which is equivalent to what FDIC provides for banks. In addition to maintaining strong financial performance, we also strive to give you the most convenient and comprehensive banking experience possible and have made some very exciting changes over the past year. So here are just a few examples of the many things that we've done. True to our commitment to your financial well-being, many of our team members are now certified financial coaches and are available to help you improve your finances through budgeting, saving strategies, and debt management. In response to your feedback, we continue to enhance our online and mobile banking tools to include an improved online mortgage application system, a new online vehicle purchasing platform, and an improved digital appointment system for our branches. To help you save more of your hard-earned money, we've added a variety of new options, including Early Pay, which allows members with direct deposit to receive their deposits up to 2 days early. An easy online direct deposit tool, which allows you to set up your paychecks to be deposited directly into your RCU account. The Performance Money Market account, which offers even better savings rates. And our new Round Up and Save feature allows you to round up your debit card purchases to the next dollar and automatically deposit the difference into your savings account, which adds up over time. Additionally, we've designed new tools to give you more control over managing your money. These include Smart Sweep, which lets you manage your credit card like a debit card by automatically transferring funds from your RCU account to pay off your credit card balance daily, weekly, or biweekly, helping you avoid late fees, manage debt, save on interest, all while earning rewards on your credit card. You can now increase or decrease the limits on your credit card using our online banking and our mobile app. We improved our overdraft protection program by offering a grace period and lowering the cost of this very valuable service. And we have created some new loan options to help you achieve your goals and dreams. We introduced classic car loans with flexible terms and low rates for vintage auto enthusiasts. We're helping more people get into homes with our new Dream Start home loan program designed for first-time home buyers. We've also expanded services for business owners to deliver better, more personalized banking for their business, no matter how big or small, including business members can now set and manage credit card limits for their corporate cardholders through digital banking. We also added self-service wires for businesses to make managing their money more flexible. And we introduced interest on lawyers' trust accounts for attorneys and law firms to hold custodial accounts on behalf of their clients. And we've enhanced fleet services for your business vehicle needs available through RCU Auto Services. Just as we have worked to expand access for our business members, RCU Insurance Services enhanced our offerings by adding new carriers for personal and commercial lines. And we launched a new platform that provides more life insurance options for our members and their families. We are committed to addressing your personalized banking needs, which is why we continue to invest in convenient locations. Last year, we opened a new branch in San Anselmo, bringing us to 4 branches throughout Marin County. We also added new ATMs in Windsor, Petaluma, Santa Rosa, and Rohnert Park to serve you better. In addition to being your trusted financial institution, we want you to know that banking with RCU, you're ensuring a better community for your family and your neighbors. Over the last year, we were able to deepen our social impact through volunteerism, strategic grant making, financial education, and community involvement. We focused on addressing the critical needs of our members and empowering partner organizations to amplify their impact. Last year, our team members volunteered more than 6,000 hours. That's more than 100 hours a week, helping local nonprofit and community organizations at more than 200 events throughout the year. This included 159 financial education events, teaching smart money management habits to more than 6,000 people, from high school students to retirees. We also hosted 5 shred-a-thons, helping community members protect themselves from fraud and identity theft, recycling over 130,000 pounds of shredded paper and diverting 25,000 pounds of e-waste from landfills. Our team members regularly tell us that our community impact is one of the top reasons why they're passionate about working at RCU. As a testament to our strong culture, RCU was named a best place to work in the North Bay for the 19th year in a row. We're one of only 4 North Bay companies to receive this distinction every year since it started. This is the award that I'm most proud of because providing our team with a shared purpose and a job they love means they can provide you with the exceptional service, support, and solutions every day. Finally, we accomplished so much in 2024, and I'm truly looking forward to how much we'll continue to innovate and expand the support we provide our members and communities in 2025. I'm proud of our hardworking team and our board of directors' dedication to serving you. We were able to help so many achieve their financial goals while RCU remained stable and financially secure. I also want to acknowledge that none of our efforts would have been possible without you, our members. We're inspired every day with the opportunity to help you succeed through the good times and the bad. We truly appreciate your trust, your loyalty, and your support for your credit union. We're very honored to serve you. Thank you. Now I'll turn it over to Lisa Whitkey-Schaffner to give her report as chair of the Audit and Enterprise Risk Committee.
Thank you, Brett. And as chair of your Audit and Enterprise Risk Committee, I am pleased to announce that Redwood Credit Union remains safe, sound, and continues to deliver strong financial performance. Our continued success is thanks to the vision and dedication of your credit union's leadership team and the commitment and participation of our members. Redwood Credit Union's ongoing financial stability and strength was confirmed by an annual audit conducted by our independent certified public accounting firm, our yearly examination conducted by our federal regulator, the National Credit Union Administration, and once again by Bauer Financial, who gave RCU its highest 5-star rating for financial strength. We are committed to ensuring your credit union remains strong and financially healthy, so you have a peace of mind now and into the future. On behalf of your Audit and Enterprise Risk Committee, it is an honor to serve you. Next on the agenda is the Nominating Committee report. So I will turn it over to your Nominating Committee Chair, Jerry Hansen.
Thank you, Lisa. First, I want to thank and recognize the other members of the Nominating Committee for their participation in this important process, Board members Robert Eiler and David Gwine. The committee met and reviewed applications for the 3 open positions on the Board of Directors. We nominated 3 applicants for 3-year terms from 2025 to 2028. Incumbent Rod Dole, incumbent Judy Herreras-James, and incumbent Lisa Whitkey-Schaffner. Because there are 3 qualified, unopposed nominees for the 3 open board positions, there is no need for a vote this year. Each of the board nominees is hereby elected. Congratulations to all of our nominees. Thank you. And now I'll turn it back over to Brett.
Thank you, Jerry. Before we get into any questions you may have, I'd like to share this short video with you celebrating 75 years of Redwood Credit Union. I hope it makes you proud, and thank you again for your support and your loyalty.
"2025 marks Redwood Credit Union's 75th anniversary. A lot has changed since 1950, when 7 employees started the credit union. Since then, RCU has grown to be one of the nation's best credit unions, serving nearly 500,000 members and the communities we call home. And by treating our team members with trust and respect, RCU has been named a best place to work in the North Bay for 19 years straight. While much has changed, our values remain. And through our growth, we live our purpose to inspire hope and elevate the financial well-being of our communities one person at a time, through good times and bad. We lead with heart and empathy, providing more than 6,000 hours of community service last year. We're passionate about helping our members and our nearly 1,000 team members live their best life while having a little fun in the process. Because when you love what you do and do what you love, 75 years goes by pretty fast. Redwood Credit Union, 75 years and growing.